so that the dynamic pad is hitting the rotor, and then bring it back just a tiny bit with my finger and let it open up a little bit, and then screw it down and lock down that cable. Damn it. Can you have that, please? Thank you. You can edit that part out, right? Just do a little quick taste test on it. Oh my God, what the hell? Oh crap. Make sure your cable is set in the barrel adjuster properly. All right, that's not terrible actually. It's not terrible. I can then, when I actuate the brake with the lever now, I can see, and once you take a look at this, you can see the rotor being pushed over by the brake pad. See how it's pushing it? So I can actually take this and screw it in one more. And try one more. There. See how it's not quite pushing as much anymore? Mm-hmm. But my lever pull is still too much. So since that lever pull is coming down to the handlebar, I want to reset this, which is the cable anchor position and the cable tension. So I'm just going to push that back up again. There's two ways to do this. I can let this out with my finger, but I can also leave it tight and then let out the tension with the barrel adjuster. So I'm going to show you that real quick. So this is too tight, and I'll show you how that works. That's too tight. You can hear that it's rubbing, it's going through. I can loosen the barrel adjuster and then screw in the barrel adjuster. There. Hear how it's a little bit better? And actually, since this is bent, you're not getting the full feeling of it. But you can use the barrel adjuster to loosen this up so it wouldn't work, so it wouldn't hit the rotor anymore. But I'm going to show you also. Well, you can do it that way, and then of course you can use the arm itself. Just let the arm out a tiny bit more. And now, since the barrel adjuster is dialed all the way in, I can actually go a little loose here. So it's not rubbing, except for where it's bent. But I can also, let's just assume that it's not bent. There, see how it's getting worse? Mm-hmm. It's getting worse. If it was straight, that's how you do your fine tune adjusting. And you grab the brake lever again. See how tight that is now? That's way, way better. And it's not really moving the rotor very much. So you have a good lever feel, it's not squishy, and it's sandwiching square onto it. This is, of course, assuming that the brake mount itself is flat, is square. But that's how I do it.